Hey guys, it's Maya, and today I'm going to share with you how to take an oil or grease stain out of a silk tie. That's right, I said silk. Because spot stuff is powder, it can be used on so many different finer fabrics, from cashmere sweaters to suede shoes that you love, maybe even the lace on your wedding dress bodice. It can also be used on rayon and so much more, like linen. Spot stuff is an amazing way to get those stains out so that you can get the spot out instead of throw it out. All right, this is a silk tie, and I'm just liberally, again, applying the spot stuff to the area. I always like to spread it with my fingers to make sure I get every single area of the stain. And then simply, we leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. So we've waited 5 minutes, now it's time to brush off the powder. And again, since this is eco-friendly, you can go ahead and brush it off right into the garbage or into the sink with no safety concerns at all. Voila, spot stuff. Taking the spots out of your stuff.